Am I audible? Fine. I gave you few questions and I gave you the exercises of short stories and poems to complete, because I guess tomorrow your books are going to be submitted, isn't it? Yes, na? So everybody has completed short stories and poetry. Tomorrow 2 books only will be submitted, short stories and poetry. Okay? Okay? Short stories and poetry will be submitted tomorrow. Okay, now. I told you all today I'll be telling you the pattern, but before the pattern, all of you open the Merchant of Venice book. Bring your Merchant of Venice workbook. Merchant of Venice workbook. And show me your faces, everyone. Those who are hiding their faces. Just show me everyone's face I want to see. Harsh, Priya, Himesh. Show me your faces, everyone. Ujjwal, Nirmit, Ronak, Anshuman, Aditya, Shwet, Aditi, Harshita, Ayush. Show me your faces, everyone. Okay. Now, as you all have opened the workbook of Merchant of Venice, open Act 1, Scene 2. Act 1, Scene 2, extract number 8. Act 1, Scene 2, extract number 8. Act 1, Scene 2, extract number 8. No, sorry, Act 1, Scene 1, extract number 8. Act 1, Scene 1, extract number 8. I guess on page number 45. It's there? Okay. Last 2 answers are not given in the PDF I have seen. The answers were given in the PDF, these 2 answers. Is it given or not? Yes or no? Yes, Dave. Speak up.
Good morning, Miss. Miss, you have given that give any 2 character traits of Antonio in the scene. Miss, you have not given that how are they different from both. But you have given their traits in there.
Traits. See, how are they different? One earlier he was telling that he was very rich, this and that. Ki my business does not depend on the one particular direction. Entire world it is there. And afterwards, what did he say? So how are they different? They are different from this only, na? Earlier though he was telling that, and now he is telling ki I don't have a single penny to give it to you. That is why it is different. Fine. And before that, one more question is there. Give the meaning of that shall be racked even to the uttermost. This answer anybody has written? Because I remember this answer I have not given, or this answer was left. Have you all written this answer?
Yes, Miss, I have written.
Ayush Kumar, tell me.
The answer is the credit that can be stretched to the uttermost limit.
Utmost limit.
Utmost limit.
Antonio says that the credit shall be stretched to the utmost limit, means he is ready to stretch the credit as far as to equip Bassanio to go to Balmain to woo Portia, either on the security of my name or from feelings of personal friendship. It means you can go as far as he is concerned, he will provide him the money. If you all have not written the answer, please do write it down. I am speaking the answer, write it down because this answer was not there. Should I speak or not? Everybody has written this answer? Everybody? Fine. So should I will not speak this answer? Fine. One more answer was there. That is Act 1, Scene 2, Extract number 3. One boy was asking on that day that answer was not there. So not there means it was given wrong. Act 1, Scene 2, Extract number 3. Act 1, Scene 2, Extract number 3. Did you all open? Can you see fourth number A? If Portia were to marry the court. Whatever answers you all have written, please just rub it or cut and take one pen or take one register page and write it over there. I am going to speak. If Portia were to marry the court. Should I start? Write down. If Portia were to marry the court, sorry, not court, Count Palatine. If Portia were to marry the Count Palatine, if Portia were to marry Count, then she could live with him, then she could not, live with him happily. If Portia were to marry the Count, then she could not live with him happily, as Shivang, go and wash your eyes. If Portia were to marry the Count, then she could not live with him happily, as he would not smile. He would not smile at merry tales. At merry tales. Later, he was also compared to a skull. Later, he was also compared to a skull with a bone in mouth. With a bone in mouth. With a bone in mouth. I'm going to repeat. If Portia were to marry the Count, then she could not live with him happily, as he would not smile at merry tales. Later, he was also compared to a skull with a bone in a mouth. Opened? Now all of you open Act 1, Scene 1. Extract number 5, question number 5. Act 1, Scene 1. Extract 5, question number 5. Now one of you please read the question. What is the question given? Yes, Ayush, read the question.
Miss, the question is, what advice does Graciano give to Antonio at the end of his speech? What does Bassanio says about Graciano's speech a little later in the scene?
I guess half of the answer is given and half of the answer is not given. Read what have you written, Ayush?
Graciano, Miss, I have written my answer by my own.
Fine, you speak up.
Graciano give an advice that he must not be the one of who try to get reputation for wisdom by living sins. Bassanio make
Silent, by living silent.
by living silence. Bassanio make last of what Graciano's speech.
Done. Anyone else who has written the answer?
Miss, I have to ask one question also. Miss, you have to submit the Merchant of Venice also.
I only submit the short stories and poems.
Okay.
Yeah, Dev, speak the answer. Yes, Dev.
Miss, at the end of his speech, Graciano advises Antonio not to be one of those who to give a reputation for wisdom by being silent. He further tells Antonio not to use melancholy as a way to win the reputation
The
of
meaning of what
wisdom
exactly is the meaning
and
of
cheap.
bait? Hold on. What exactly is the meaning of bait? Anyone knows the meaning of bait? Ashvi, do you know?
Ma'am, I think cheap.
Huh?
Cheap.
Cheap, yes. ठीक है ना, किसी भी चीज को बहुत वर्स्ट कंडीशन में कह सकते हो. ठीक है, I am speaking the answer, you all can write it down. Fine. Or if you all have written, you all can see it. At the end of the speech, Graciano advises Antonio not to be one of those who try to gain a reputation for wisdom by being silent. It means he was telling na at class कि all the time you are silent and you are thinking you will get the reputation over there. Fine. Do you all want to write this answer? The one who wants to write this answer, raise your hand. And if you all have already written, there is no issue to write. There is need not to write. I'll upload this answer. Do you want to write? Or should I upload? Yes. Anubha Shukla, tell me. Yes.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Miss, I have written this answer.
You have written?
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Akshita.
Which I have written answer.
Fine. I'll upload this answer today only. Okay? So whomsoever has not written, they can write it down. Fine. Today we have to start with the Chief Seattle question answers. Okay? Shall we start? And who was telling he has to ask something from me? Dev or Ayush? I guess first paragraph on the very first day only, the same day we have discussed. And I have told you all that I'll be telling you the paper pattern. I guess you all must be aware that the paper will be consisting of how many marks? The paper itself, how many marks? Ayushi, how many marks? Tell me.
Miss 80 marks.
80 marks. Okay. And how many paragraphs are there? How many reference of the context you'll be getting?
Miss that I don't remember.
Altogether, you will be getting 9 extracts. Okay? 3 from drama, 3 from short story, poem, 2 extracts from short stories and 1 long answer type question. That is question number 9. 8 extracts and 1 long answer type question. Okay? So altogether, you will be getting 9. And out of 9, you have to attempt 5. So how many options are you going to get? How many options are you going to get? Are beta 9 minus 4 kar do? You'll be getting the answer 4. Okay? 3 from drama, 3 from poem, and 2 from short stories. And the last question is the long answer. You'll be getting. Fine, everyone. And now what you all have to do the time you receive the question paper, first of all to see, read all the extracts. Fine. You know every extract or not. If you don't know any extract, any of the answer, leave that particular extract. Then and there only. And after seeing the extracts, one from each you have to attend, that is compulsory. One from drama, one from short stories, and one from poem. One from each you have to attempt. So how many have you finished till now? 3. How many you have to attempt more? 2 more you have to attempt. So 2, it's up to you, whether you attempt from drama, or you attempt from short stories, or you attempt from poetry. Am I clear? Any doubt? And this 5 extracts, each extract contains 16 marks. 16 marks. Fine? Each extract. 16 5s are 16 5s are 85. 80. Fine? Is it clear, everyone? Fine. So, one from each, one from drama, one from short stories, and one from poem. And 2, it's up to you, whatever you, whichever extract you are comfortable. If you are comfortable in the drama, if you're comfortable in the poem, or if you're comfortable in the short stories, it's up to you. And while attempting the long answers, remember, write down the quotes. Even the answers also that you will be writing. Quotes, learn the quotes. Short stories, drama, and do underline so that you will be getting the extra marks. Clear, everyone? Okay, now. Short stories, first paragraph. Yonder sky. I guess this paragraph has been discussed. Yes or no? Discussed. Second paragraph, one of you please read it. Who wants to read? Nobody wants to read only. Everybody is yawning. More hands. Mayank Kumar. Start. Yes, Mayank.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am without politics. He said, I am 76-year old. I have come 12 kilometers now, and I think now I can go no further. This is not a good place to stop. I said, if you can make it, there are trucks up the road where it first for to stop.
Tell me, I guess you have to read from page number 26 now. From page number 26, you have to read now. So you have to read, I guess, these people are many and they are like the grass that covers vast prairies.
Miss, I have read of Old Man at the Bridge.
Sorry? Which edition
Miss,
you are holding better?
Miss, Old Man at the Bridge I have.
But I am also using the old edition only.
No, miss, the old man at the bridge. That
Have
paragraph.
to do with the old man at the bridge or Chief Seattle?
Chief Seattle, miss, but I have opened that page. So that
Any other hand? Adarsh William, start reading.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning. Start reading.
His people are many. They are like the grasses that covers the vast prairies. Many people are few. They resemble the scattering trees of a storm-swept plain. The great and I presume a good white chief sends us word that he wishes to buy our land, but is willing to allow us enough to live comfortably. This indeed appears just, even generous, for the red man no longer has rights that he needs respect.
And
The offer may be wise, also as we are no longer in need of an extensive country.
his people are many. Whose people are many?
It's white people.
Okay. So compare the number of Chief Seattle's people with that of the white chief. And how does the narrator illustrate this fact? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. I guess everybody has written the answer. You all have to read it only. Anushka Sharma, start reading. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Seattle says that there was a time when his people were large in number. Now they are nothing more than a mournful memory.
Right now, the whites are more in number. Whites, they are more in number. Yes, the whites are more in number as compared to the red Indians. Chief Seattle compares the whites to the grass of
Mourn-
vast prairies. Clear? जैसे कि grass भरी होती है ना एक ground में एक field में. This is the same way he is comparing. And the red Indians with scattering trees of storm swept plain. ठीक है? What message that the Seattle white chief sent to the native people? What message? Tell the answer.
The white chief informs that they must. White chief informs that they must get ready for land settlement treaty between the U.S. government and Native American tribe. According to the treaty, the Native Americans should surrender their land to the whites and move further from their ancestors' land.
Fine. They have to accept their offer. They did not to go. They have to main thing. They have to surrender. This was the pressure they were putting on them. They have to surrender and they have to accept their offer anyhow. A little later, how does Seattle describe that his people were numerous once upon a time? How did he say that his people were numerous once upon a time? Rajnandani, answer.
Yes, ma'am. He says that once the Native Americans covered the land as the waves of a wind ruffled sea, it covered its shell-paved road.
As he said, na, कि जैसे seashells होते हैं हमारे. When the wave comes, so they are leaving the seashells over there. So that is covered. When you will see in a beach, you will go in a beach, you will come to know that whenever the wave comes, all the seashells will be there. The same way my people were also like that. State the message sent by Native American covered the land as the waves of a wind ruffled sea. Sorry, sent by the white chief to the native people. And what is the reaction of Chief Seattle to the message? Give the answer. Yes.
The white chief informs that he wishes to buy the land of natives and will also allow to live comfortably.
So sorry. Start, Rajnandani.
The white chief informs that he wishes to buy the land of natives and will also allow to live comfortably.
Okay. Any other? So it's better to be just kind. To be just. Just means need not to be biased. ठीक है? Biased होने की जरूरत नहीं है. What is the meaning of biased? Partial. Fine. So the white chief wishes to buy the land of the Native Americans. Seattle says that your proposal seems to be just, kind, and generous, and the red man no longer has rights. The offer appears to be wise since the Native Americans are less in number and they don't need a vast place to live. Fine. So we are going to accept this. So what happened when the white man began to push the native westwards? Should the Native American take revenge on the white man, and why? Ayushi, answer.
The young turned violent and indulged in revengeful acts when the white men pushed the westwards. There is no use in taking revenge on the white man because they are large in number as well as more powerful. In times of war, they even lose their own lives, but the family that bonds for them at home bears the loss.
Means who is basically the bearing the laws? The one who is the sufferer. Otherwise, though, those who want, they have already gone. Fine. Next paragraph, read it. Advika. Next paragraph, read it. Unmute yourself. You people are not willing only. Pushkar, start reading. You stop yawning.
Sorry, ma'am.
Start reading.
Good morning. Our good father in Washington, for a presume he is now our father, as well yours, since King George has moved his boundaries further north, our great and good father, I say, sent us word that if we do as he desired, he will protect us. His brave warriors will be to us bristling walls of strength, and his wonderful ships of war will fill our harbors, so
Harbor.
that ancient enemies far to the northward, the Hades and tsunami will
Hades? Is it Hades? Is it Hades? Another one is
tsunami.
tsunami. Is it tsunami? Oh my God.
Sorry,
Sorry, then speak the right word.
Hades. I don't know. This word is cut and written
Where were
above
you when we were
something
reading
else.
the chapter?
Hmm?
Where were you when we were reading the chapter?
Since I was there only.
Anybody knows? Yes, Parth, speak up.
Ma'am, Haidas and Simicians.
ठीक है, Haidas, H-A-I, das, and Shimshians. ठीक है? हाँ, चलो read it next. अच्छा, tell me who is referred to as the father of the Washington? George Washington. ठीक है? Next, since when he has become our father and your father? The time he has moved his boundaries further north, he has become the father of the Native Americans. Fine. Under what condition is that good father going to protect the native people? What is meant by bristling wall of strength? Answer, bristling wall of strength. Under which condition he is going to protect us?
If the Native Americans surrender and sell their land to the Native Americans, he will protect them from the Haidas and the Simshine and Brittling. Yes, Brittling walls refers to the biggest and energetic white people's brave men who will provide them strength and protect them from the ancient enemy.
See, they will protect them from the ancient enemies. And what kind of ancient enemies? See, मैंने बोला था tribes होती हैं. One tribe so against with another tribe. So जो Haidas हैं और जो Shimshians हैं, ठीक है? वो उनकी tribes हैं जो उनके against रहते हैं हमेशा. किसके against? Red Indians के. Because they are always ready to kill their own women, children, and the young ones. So who is going to protect us now? Who is our father now? Washington. Our father is going to protect us now. He will not be biased with us because we are going to surrender. So your father will also become our father. Samajh mein aaya? Is it clear, everyone? So these two names, this paragraph is also very important. These two names comes. What are the names of the two other tribes? Fine. Next. Next.
Haidas and the Shimshian are the two tribes who constantly fought with the Spanish tribes. Haidas people are the indigenous people of the Native Americans, and the Shimshians are the Native American Indian of the Northwest coast. The white chief brave man will.
Hold on, Pushkar, hold on. This answer, learn it, everyone. Okay? Clear, everyone? This answer, everybody has to learn. This is very important. And how does the Chief Seattle prove that the white man's God is not the God of the natives? How did he prove this? This question is also very important. Because the God of the white man loves his people and hates Seattle's people, means Red Indians. He protects them lovingly and leads them to a father, leads his infants. And जैसे कि एक पापा अपने बच्चे को उंगली पकड़ के चलाता है, the same way they are protecting you. But he has forsaken Seattle and his people. But they have forsaken us, left us. So that is why he is telling your father is not our father. Next. A little earlier, Chief Seattle exclaimed that youth is impulsive. Why youth is impulsive? Impulsive means why? What is the meaning of impulsive? To act without thinking. You people are coming in the age of youth. Okay? If somebody says you something, what happens? You become too much of angry all of a sudden. Chalo, 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 let's go and beat him. All of a sudden we get excited. And without thinking, without listening to anyone's word, we keep on beating someone. Or we think the negative thoughts comes in our mind. So he is telling youth is impulsive. And why does he say that? What does it reflect about the character? Tell the answer.
Because they get angry to the real or imaginary wrong, and they often become cruel and relentless. They become hostile and lose their lives in the violent acts.
See, all of a sudden they become too violent. They become the enemy of other person and they leave their lives. And who is the main sufferer of that? The parents, those who are staying at home, they have to suffer everything. Clear? They have to suffer. Next paragraph. You will not read now, Pushkar. Ashwi.
Miss, this one answer, what does it reflect about his character? I think this answer, what should be written for this one sentence?
What does it reflect about whose character?
I think it's talking about youth.
With whom it is talking about? Read the question first of all.
A little earlier, Chief Seattle examined that youth is impulsive. Why does he say that? What does it reflect about his character?
कैरेक्टर बात हो रही है, सिर्फ यूथ के कैरेक्टर की बात हो रही है. ठीक है, ये यूथ का कैरेक्टर कैसा हो जाता है? If they become impulsive all of a sudden, so what becomes the nature of the youth?
They are impatient and angry.
All of a sudden they become, they were against of anyone. If they overheard also anything, overheard means नहीं सुन लेना किसी की बात, उसने उससे ये कहा, overhearing ये होती है, तो they become impulsive all of a sudden. So what exactly, what does it reflect about its character? It reflects about that they lose their lives, ठीक है? And they become hostile in violent acts. Though you are not in the same nature, but because this is the nature of our human body, the time we start growing, all of a sudden so many changes comes. Okay? So many changes comes and we become impulsive as we are growing. Next paragraph. Read it.
Our God, the Great Spirit, seems also to have forsaken us. Your God makes your people wax stronger every day. Soon they will fill all the land. Our people are ebbing away like a rapidly receding tide that will never return. The white man's God cannot love our people, or he would protect them. They seem to be orphans who can look nowhere for help. Now, then, how then can we be brothers? How can your God become our God and renew our prosperity and awaken in us dreams of returning greatness?
Okay, what is the very first question?
Who is referred to as the God of the natives? Why does he seems to have forgotten them?
Tell me, who is the God of the natives? They have
The
any
Great
particular
Spirit.
God? They have any particular God? Our God, the Great Spirit. So who is the God? The Great Spirit. They don't follow any particular customs and all now. There is a difference between both of them because their religion is written on the particular tablets of the stone. It was given in the line. But my religion is not like that. Okay, mine will be written on the
Hearts.
heart, will be passing on. Verbally वो बोला जाएगा. The great spirits will deliver and we have to listen. And we have to pass it to the another generation. Because we don't keep on writing. This was the line, remember? And this line was very important also. So the great spirit is referred as the god of the natives. And how does he seem to have forgotten them?
He seems to have abandoned the Native Americans.
Because जो उनकी tribe थी वो basically क्या होती जा रही है? Extinct. If my God is overpowering me, if my God is there with me, so definitely I'll increase in numbers, na? If somebody is there, if my luck is flourishing, so what will happen? I'll get name and fame both. It's not like that कि I'll extinct. मैं extinct मैं लुप्त नहीं हो जाऊंगा, मैं name और fame कमाऊंगा. Is it so? But right now, what exactly is the condition of the Red Indians? They are extincting. वो कम होते जा रहे हैं. That is why they have forsaken us. My God has forsaken us. They have left us as orphan. हमें बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया है जैसे कि हम अनाथ हैं. Fine. So he is telling the great spirit has forgotten his people because the Squamish tribe has almost become extinct and their number is declining rapidly. कम होते जा रहे हैं. Fine. And the great spirit is no longer a father figure to them. They seem to be orphans who can look nowhere for help. Fine, everyone. Next. Why are the native compared to the receding tide and are all called orphans? Because their population is reducing. Their population is reducing. And they have become extinct. And they are called orphans because their God, great spirit, has forgotten them. Fine. Why does the chief say that if there was a common father for both races, he must be partial? This question is important. Because he came to the help of his pale-faced children and never came to the help of the red man. Then he has never come. He gave them laws to be followed, but none of to his red children. Laws here means, Raj means the written things. Okay? They have separate origins, separate destinies. He makes the white people stronger every day, but does nothing for the well-being of the natives. He is not doing anything for us. No, nothing he is doing. Fine, everyone. Finally, how does the speech of the chief Seattle show that his people are oppressed? First of all, tell me the meaning of oppressed. Who knows the meaning of oppressed? Not even a single hand I am getting. The meaning of oppressed. Okay, yes, Rajnandani.
Yes, ma'am. Oppressed means that we are bound by someone's rule.
We are bound, you know, if we are bound by someone's rule, we will be pressurized. दबे हुए हो जाएंगे, हम slaves हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? Slaves means दास हो जाएंगे. Clear, everyone? हाँ. Tell me the answer of this question. Tell me the answer. Yes, Parth.
The chief Seattle said, our people are ebbing away like a rapidly receding tide that will never return. This shows that his people are oppressed.
Any other? Any other? Any other? Pushkar, I'll not ask you. Yes, Ani Sukriti. Tell the answer.
Good morning, ma'am. The whites unjustly exercising authority over the Native Americans. It is the natives' land that the big chief in Washington wishes to buy, but the wish is a word sarcastically used by the chief Seattle. The whites are so powerful in terms of their army and money that the red Indians cannot buy it.
And And
Chief Seattle says that whites are willing to allow them enough land to live comfortably, which is the symbolic of their master-slave relationship.
see here the word wish has used sarcastically. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव वे में भी है, नेगेटिव वे में है. Are they going to surrender it very willingly? I don't think so, because the time you are going to leave your own thing, it means you are dying. You are going to die because you have to work according to someone's other wishes. So here wish is used sarcastically. ठीक है? And if you are going to become the slave of someone, so there is no, which means you have left your full extent. You have left your full potential, and you are going to work under someone's authority. So it means you are going to ruin yourself. तुम अपने आप को खत्म कर रहे हैं. So though because they don't have any other option कि where to go, if they are not able to surrender, definitely they will come and attack, and we have to die. They have to attack, clear, and they have to die. So till here only we are keeping this, and rest all we'll be doing in the next class. That questions that I have told you in the starting, today in the evening I'll upload it. Just change the answer. Okay, Act 1, Scene 1, I guess. Change that particular answer, and apart from that, 2 and 3 more questions I have seen that was given half. I'll upload it, and you all can see it. Next class we'll be doing this, and as well as the poetry workbook exercises. Clear, everyone? Children, stay safe. Bye bye, class.